Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make greens powder, full guide. Start by drying leafy greens thoroughly, then blend with powdered superfoods, seeds, and mild flavorings until fine. Measure portions. Use 2 cups leafy greens, 1 cup spirulina or chlorella if desired, and ½ cup seeds like flax or chia. Sift to remove fibrous bits, store in an airtight container, and label with the date for freshness daily. Choose nutrient-dense greens like kale, spinach, and parsley, and add spirulina or chlorella for extra chlorophyll and protein. Roast seeds lightly to reduce bitterness, then grind with dried fruits or citrus zest to balance flavor naturally. Keep a kitchen scale for consistent batches, adjust salt or sweetener sparingly, and test with water blends before large batches to ensure a smooth, palatable powder your family will enjoy every morning and reliably. Quick recommendation. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. On another note, I grabbed Automobile Little Trees Black Ice to keep my car smelling fresh after grocery runs. It's a funny but useful addition for anyone hauling greens. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider trying it yourself for a laugh and freshness boost. Now let's get back to the video. Use low-heat dehydrators or oven settings under 110 degrees F to preserve enzymes, and slice greens thinly to speed drying time. Cool completely before pulsing in a high-speed blender to avoid clumping, and use a fine mesh sifter to remove coarse fibers for a silky powder. Store in dark, cool places in airtight jars with oxygen absorbers if possible, and rotate stock every 3 months for peak potency and consistent flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.